Welcome back to another video. Today we have the Packout light charger. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this. Remember to review videos, that's the way to run to the platform by subscribers and likes. So help out the channel by doing so. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. We got Milwaukee, we got M18 light charger, M18 only, battery not included. You got 2357-20. It says fits all M18 batteries, Packout compatible. It says charger, USB, powered by either light or battery. Alright, on this side we got light and charger. This includes the light, most versatile, durable, modular storage system, so it is compatible with the Packout. So all lights is on low you got 12 hours with the 5 amp hour battery, 1000 lumen. On medium you got 8 hours, 1500 lumen. On high you got 4 hours, 3000 lumen. Alright, and then for the main light, those are all the lights. For the main light, which is the middle one, you got on low you got 19 hours, 670 lumen. On medium you got 12 hours, 1000 lumen. On high you got 5.5 hours on 2000 lumen. Alright, for the back and front light, alright, so it does have a back for back and front light. On low you got 31 hours and 330 lumen. On medium you got 21.5 hours and 500 lumen. On high you got 10 hours and 1000 lumen. It says 3 independent rotating light heads, so you can even have this on when you're walking, as it says right there, and it, it'll light up the pathway wherever you're walking with your Packout. It says AC input with integrated M18 charging. You got 2.1 amps USB port with storage compartment. You can charge your phone. It says water and dust resistant, IP54 rated. Just to let you know, this thing's heavy, guys. It's not I thought it was going to be a piece of plastic, a piece of plastic obviously, but this thing is actually pretty heavy. Open it. First we got some instructions. Set that aside. Alright, so here's the light, guys. So this is the bigger one, this is a bigger LED, and let's move it, see if this moves. So it does move up and it does rotate both ways. That's as far as it goes that way, and that's as far as it goes that way. So you can even set this down like that. If you want to, put it backwards, you can. Alright, and then you got this light. This is a smaller light here. Same thing with this. You can move it up and just move it that way, or move it all the way this way. And it feels solid, guys. It doesn't feel like it's gonna break. So 2357-20, it says input 18 volts, 120 volts, 3.2 amps. It says USB output 5 volts, 2.1 amps. You got the serial number there. You got Packout light charger, made in China. Alright, here you got the plug, the AC plug. You can plug your extension cord, and everything does have some nice weather stripping, weather gaskets here, obviously to prevent everything from going in there. But yeah, you do have an extension cord you guys can plug in there. Now here's another one, same thing with some weather stripping or weather gaskets here on the side. This is a storage compartment, maybe for a cell phone, a USB adapter there, or USB, and then you have a button. Yeah, it's a button, so maybe to turn it off and on. Alright, on the bottom you do have the standard Milwaukee compatibility, and then you got the lock here on the front. Obviously you have to slide it up like that to release it. You do have a nice handle here at the bottom, so you could grab this, because like I said, this is kind of heavy. I imagine it'll be much heavier with the battery. Compatibility with the, right there on the top, it says Milwaukee Packout. Alright, on this side we do have some more controls. So you guys see here we got another light, tilts pretty much 360 degrees, almost 360 degrees. Alright, so we got another compartment here. Same thing with some weather stripping. It does tell you right here some indications here. It says lights. The red means it's charging. Green means it's charged. Blinking red means it's temperature. And blinking red and green is battery is bad, I guess. Here's the light, by the way. Alright, so let's test the fitment. So let's put a 5 in here, see what this looks like. Alright, so that's what it looks like. There's plenty of room for a 12, maybe even a bigger battery. I do have a 12, so let's fit a 12 in here and see what it looks like. Here's a 12. Alright, so perfect size for a 12. I think you can even fit a bigger battery here, so there might be a chance for it to be a bigger battery. Probably easier just to put a 5 in here. I'm just gonna leave a 5 in here. See if we got, yeah. Alright, so we're gonna leave a 5 in here, so just to test it out for right now. Alright, so it's lights in there. Alright, so we got the light here. We got another light here for the charger. Let's see here. On. Alright, so we got on. Let me just point it that way. That's the way they light up. Just the middle light. And then just the sides. And then all of them again, I guess. Middle. Sides, and you can feel the heat, just, you know, coming out from these lights. All right, so you got another button here to turn it off, and then you got a mode light here, and then you have this. Let's turn it on here. Oh, here's the. So it got a whole bunch of settings here. It got a high, medium, and low. High, medium, and low. Plus you got all those modes here, like I said. So you got a whole bunch of lighting modes. I'm not gonna keep it on because I'm already blind. This thing already blind me. So alright, let's connect this to extension cord. See what this looks like when it's charging. Alright, so that's the way it looks when it's connected. You can just leave it like that. Alright, and then you got the nice light here. It says charging. Alright, so you guys could use it when it's charging. It says light green, it's already charged, so that's a full battery. Alright, let's disconnect it. Alright, so it's disconnected. Alright, let's test this on the Packout, see what this looks like. I do have a vacuum here on this side, and this is the Packout, and that's the light. Alright, so that's the way it looks with the Packout and the vacuum there. As you guys see, it's not the same height. Because you guys would probably need like a slim organizer or something like that, like an organizer. So you've got the battery compartment on the front. Actually, this would be better if I put it on this side. So let me just put it on this side and demonstrate how this looks. Alright, so that's a much better look for this because the lights are facing out. So you guys see that's the way it looks. It looks pretty nice. And you can even have access to the lights here on the side. And it does have the battery compartment on the front. That's the way it looks on the back. And then you can access the cell phone if you want to put a cell phone in there. So you guys could can even open the doors here. So let's open them. See? You can even open them. You can open this one, except for the light. The light you can't operate with the handle up, but you can operate this one, and the one on the front. So alright, you can put this up facing forward in case you're walking with the Packout. If you're just walking with it, if you're walking with the Packout, you can have this light on and it'll light you the way that you're going. Right, here's the lights. Lights up all the way to the back there. I got a big huge yard, so it lights up all the way to the back. That's off. That's off and on. And then that's medium, low. Still low is pretty high. Yeah, definitely gotta say it's a really nice light. Definitely check it out. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make purchase review videos, so we YouTubers platform, subscribes and likes. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.